Demon Slayer, Kimetsu no Yaiba, the Hinokami Chronicles. Right, let's head out! Done.
Looks good.
Thanks.
Dinner's almost done. Clean up and come eat.
Oh, thank you. I'm sorry, I could have made the food.
It's nothing. It's the least I could do.
Thank you for the meal.
The time has come.
Right.
Final selection is at Mount Fujikasane. I've been there a few times, but it's a very strange place.
How so?
It is something you'll have to see for yourself. I'm sure it'll surprise you, too.
I see. What's this?
It is called a warding mask. It is enchanted with a protection spell to keep you from harm. Take it with you.
Got it. Thank you.
This is all that I can do for you now. The rest is up to you, Tanjiro. Make sure you are well rested.
I still don't know why Tomioka didn't slay Nezuko, or why he told me about Urokodaki. But it's thanks to him that we're here now. If I join the Demon Slayer Corps, I'm bound to learn more about demons. Either way, it seems like my best shot at figuring out how to turn Nezuko back into a human. But to do that, first I have to pass final selection. Nezuko. She's been sleeping since we got to Urokodaki's place. The doctor didn't find anything wrong with her, but it's not normal for her to be asleep this long. I'm worried she'll just never wake up. You're gonna be okay. Right, Nezuko? I'm going to go out for a bit, but I'll be back soon, alright? Be a good girl now.
Don't worry about your sister. I'll take good care of her for you.
Thanks. For everything.
You have a keen nose like me, Tanjiro. Perhaps it will be the key to your survival during final selection.
My nose?
You must sharpen your sense of smell and sniff out the dangers around you. I know you can do it. Just be sure to come back alive.
Right! Guess I'm off. See you later! say hi to Sabito and Makomo!
Tanjiro, that's impossible. How do you know the names of the dead?
So this is Mount Fujikasane. Wisteria? It's all over the place. I thought it was out of season. So many people.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good evening. Good evening. Tonight you've come to enter the Demon Slayer Corps' final selection. Thank you all for being here. Here on Mount Fujikasane, there are several demons that have been captured by Demon Slayer swordsmen. They're kept here for this event. The wisteria blossoms prevent them from escaping. They bloom on this mountain year-round, covering everything from the base to halfway up the top. But the wisteria ends here. Demons abound from this point on, and they're very hungry. In order to complete final selection, you must survive for 7 days beyond the wisteria's protection. Now, your trial begins.
Okay, there are demons waiting from this point on. There are demons lurking here. Don't be afraid. Just keep moving forward. The entrance of the mountain was covered in wisteria. It was beautiful and completely different from here. What a strange place. Okay. Excuse me. There are scents coming from all directions now. Fear, Adrenaline. And demons. Okay.
Haven't tasted human flesh in forever!
2 already. Will I be able to take them on?
Bastards! Faster than I thought!
I can see the demon's movements. And if I can see their movements, I can take them down no problem. I can do this. I know I can.
Here goes!
I can smell it. The opening thread. Another one. That was nothing. I'm coming. Let's try that again. Waterfall basin!
What the hell's up with this guy? He's super strong!
Now I can fight back! Here we go. I just have to cut off their head! Up you go! Water wheel! That was nothing! Let's try that again! Hold it! Waterfall basin! I can smell it! The opening thread! I did it. I killed demons. I'm getting stronger. I can feel it. So my training wasn't for nothing. I did master it. Rest in peace. All right, time to move on.
Ouch!
Excuse me. I can't go any further. I'll have to find a different way. What's that awful smell? I can't go any further. I'll have to find a different way.
What?
Excuse me.
What?
Is that... Here it comes! Just stay calm and watch their movements. All I have to do is remember my training. No way! That was nothing! Let's try that again! No way! That was nothing! Waterfall basin! Let's try that again! I'm coming up! Now's my chance! Hey, are you okay?
What the hell was that?
Was it a demon? He doesn't look too badly hurt.
Some weirdo came out of nowhere and attacked me. He was shouting about something, but I couldn't tell what.
He's right. There's a strange smell in the air. It isn't a demon. Smells similar to a human, but also like an animal? What the?
For rush!
What? That man with the strange scent is somewhere on this mountain. Gotta stay alert. Okay. I have to concentrate on final selection. I smell blood.
That was nothing! Come at me! Hold it! Waterfall basin! Waterfall basin! Water wheel! I'm coming after you! Let's try that again! That was nothing! Water wheel! Water wheel! Let's try the... No way! That was nothing! There's the thread!
Another participant. He seems awfully nervous about something.
What the hell was that? Oh crap, had to be just the wind, right? Seriously, enough already! Much more of that and my heart's gonna pop right out of my mouth!
Now he's just getting mad at the wind.
It's dark and filled with demons. Just what kind of place is this? Why did I even have to come to this thing? I said I didn't want to. I know that sound! There's a demon around here! Oh man, just leave me alone, okay? Get me out of here!
I think that was just the wind. There are so many kinds of people here.
Okay.
This tree was knocked over. I can use this.
Okay. Let's try that again! Waterfall basin! Waterfall basin! Water wheel!
The demon's scent is growing stronger. Huh? I can smell blood up ahead. I wonder what happened. Wow, that was amazing. She fought a demon and came out unscathed.
Thank you. You saved me. What's your name? Huh? What?
What? What a strange girl. Okay. I smell blood. There's something nearby. I wonder if it's a participant. He's another one of the participants in final selection. Excuse me.
Get the hell out of my face!
Oh, okay. Okay. What's this? My heart's beating faster. The pressure around here must be getting heavier. Don't lose focus. Concentrate. Come on, get a grip, Tanjiro! Huh? What the? I can smell blood up ahead. I wonder what happened. Are these handprints? They're so big. All the trees around here have been knocked over, too. Huh? The smell's getting stronger. I must be getting close.
Oh, perfect! Another snack has wandered my way. Even better. It's one of my sweet little fox cubs.
It's humongous!
Say, fox cub, what year of the Meiji era is it?
Huh? It's the Taisho period!
Taisho? Ah! Already? We have passed into a new period! And still, I'm stuck inside this Wisteria prison! Unforgivable! Unforgivable! Damn you, Urokodaki! Damn you, damn you, damn you!
You know Urokodaki?
Of course I do! Urokodaki's the one who captured and brought me here! I promised myself I'd kill every single one of them. You know, the ones who stood out to me the most were those two. The boy's hair was an unusual shade of pink, a scar by his mouth. He was the most powerful of the lot. The other was a girl who wore a flowery kimono. Small, not much power, but awfully agile.
Could it be? Those two were killed by this demon? But how? I trained with them!
Your mask. That's what gives you away as one of Urokodaki's brats.
We're the one that killed Sabito and Makomo!
If you're going to blame someone, blame Urokodaki. He's the one who trapped me in here.
No, this isn't just for Sabito and Makomo! I'm going to avenge every life that you've taken!
I fought many who said the same.
There!
Not good enough.
Ah!
I'll devour you!
Jiro! Tanjiro!
What's this? He can still move?
I heard Shigeru's voice. If I didn't, it surely would have been the end of me. Thank you, Shigeru. I won't be helpless again.
Struggling won't do you any good.
His body's getting bigger. Calm down. Relax. Stay strong. Focus on your breathing.
Was Urokodaki really the one who trained you? You're so much weaker than all the other ones I've eaten.
That was nothing! Sabito! Akuma! You two have helped me become stronger! You've given me the strength I need to survive! And that's why I won't lose! Not to this demon! Waterfall Basin! Waterfall Basin!
Come on! Amateur! Here it comes! Right, left. Is he trying to confuse me? The small ones are always so hard to deal with, running around like chickens with their heads cut off. But it's no use. I'm bigger and stronger than you'll ever be. My neck is as thick as a tree. Poor little fox. I wonder how I should devour you. Here it comes! No, you don't. Amateur.
Let's try. No way! That was nothing!
I'll crush you.
Waterfall Basin! Water wheel!
There's no way a human can defeat a demon. He jumped! Damn it, how did he know? No matter. He won't be able to dodge an attack. Mid-air! He deflected it!
Total concentration! Water breathing!
Not to worry. My neck is tough. He can't cut through it!
First form! Water surface slash!
No! No, no! My body's falling apart! It's disappearing, and I can't stop it! Damn it! I'm afraid to close my eyes! Oh, the face of this demon slayer's the last thing I'm ever going to see!
What a sad scent. Please, God, help him. The next time this man is reborn, please don't let him turn into a demon again. Sabito, Makomo, and all others whose lives were taken by this demon. It's over. You can rest now. Finally, you're going home as promised. Back to Mount Sagiri, if only as souls. You're going back to Urokodaki. Only 4 of us? We started with over 20.
I'm gonna die. I'm done for. I've survived for now, but soon enough, dead.
Welcome back, everyone. And congratulations. We are pleased to see you're safe.
So, I made it back alive. What do I do now? Where's my sword?
Patience. We must first issue you all uniforms. We will first take your measurements, and then you will be imprinted with your rank. There are 10 ranks in all, from Kinoe to Mizunoto. You all start at Mizunoto. This is the lowest rank in the Demon Slayer Corps.
And our swords?
In a moment, you will be given the chance to select the ore that will be used to forge your swords. Your weapons will be ready for you 10 to 15 days later. But first, now that you're Demon Slayers, you must each be assigned your own Kasugai Crow. The Kasugai Crows are primarily used to facilitate communication.
Wait, crows? Isn't this a sparrow?
Who the hell cares about some stupid crow? I want my sword right now. Give it to me before I get angry. The color-changing katana. I want it now, do you hear me?
Stop that! Take your hands off her, or I'll break your arm. Now!
Huh? Who the hell are you? Give it your best shot. You little...
Are you finished chatting with each other? Now, the time has come. Please select an ore to use for your sword. The steel you will use to protect yourself and to annihilate countless demons will be that of your own choosing.
I'm gonna be dead soon anyway. Probably.
They want us to choose, but how are we supposed to know which one to pick?
I don't have a damn clue.
Really? 5 of them were able to survive. That's excellent. The number of my children continues to grow. What kinds of swordsmen will they be?
Just when I thought I could finally go back, my body is aching. The fatigue is hitting me all at once. Nezuko. Rukodaki. Nezuko! It's you! You're awake! Nezuko! Nezu... Why'd you do that? Why'd you have to sleep for so long? I thought you were never gonna wake up. I was afraid that you were gonna die!
You're here. You came back alive.